Dear Jota, you ran like fire down the wing, with boots that made the corpus sing. A quiet soul with the lion's heart, a master's touch, a warrior's art. From Porto nights to Anfield's roar, you gave us magic, go and more. You praised, you fought, you rose so high, now gone too soon beneath the sky. A brother's bond, a family's light, snatched away on a blackened night. A tire burst, a cruel twist, left the world in silent mist. Ronaldo weeps, the world stands still. No cheering crowd, no spinning drill, just whispers, now and teary eyes, as Portugal mourns its own son who fries. You weren't just a name on sheets, you were a fighter through the hates, a humble king with joy so rare, a soul of steel, a heart red bear. Sleep Jota, where the stars don't fade, where angels chant and dreams are made. We will raise our flags and sing your song. In football's hearts, you will still belong. Sleep Jota, sleep Jota.